morning everybody. I am just eating here because apparently that's what I do now in the morning. We are going to see the waterfalls today. It's a little bit cold outside, a little bit warm and a little bit cold, if that makes sense. So the wind is quite cold, it's overcast, but the sun is really warm. That's the weather as according to Lisa today. I have been to see my nan this morning and just come home, so my mum was there and my cousin Shannon, and I've just come back. Adam's awake, he's jumping in the shower, and we are going to see the waterfalls as soon as he is ready. I think I decided, because my mum has bought me an Easter egg, and I think Adam's mum, he said, has bought me an Easter egg. I'm going to eat them and I'm not going to buy any chocolate for the house. I'm going to try it out, I'm going to try that, and we'll try proper research of proper recipe type things. I'm enjoying this app that I was telling you about yesterday though. It is basically telling me how much this stuff here, all of that is just my acai bowl this morning, which is crazy. And I do need to go in and check the targets. I've realised, you know, yesterday I said, oh, that's way too low, 1,135. I've realised that that is the calories that my body would need to consume if I was to do absolutely nothing all day and just rest. So that makes more sense now, but obviously with walking around and things like that, it would be a lot higher, and you can input into here if you do any exercise. I feel like I should be sponsored by this app. This is ridiculous. Oops, what am I doing now? Yeah, so I'm just gonna have a little chillax here just whilst Adam is in the shower, and we'll be on our way. Hopefully we find the right waterfalls. Last time we went on a really super long walk. Remind us to take water, new water bottle, and didn't end up finding the right waterfalls. We basically found a waterfall that was like this high, I think, and it was just like psh, psh, going just down like the mountain, so it wasn't really the best. So hopefully we find the right one this time, which I think he's told me is the one where they filmed some scenes from Batman, so maybe, keep your fingers crossed, we find it today. Two little jackets on. I'm absolutely freezing. I think we've got a long walk down to get to it though, guys.
Do you want to...
What is it? Yeah, go for it. Oh. That was good. Let's go. We can hear it. It's sort of there in the background if you can see it a tiny bit. It's right here. Let's see if we can go. Oh yeah, they are funny. Little fingers. Let's do it, let's go. guys, we are home and we have been relaxing downstairs just watching some more of The Killing, and now we are about to go to sleep. We've had a really nice day at the waterfalls and I hope you enjoyed seeing it too. So thank you so much for watching guys, and we will see you tomorrow. Nasta!